Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix you have too many friends could not add more friends. Okay guys, if you want to add friends on Snapchat, it's showing the error like this, and I'll show you how can you fix this type of error. First of all guys, you have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to make sure that you are using the latest version of the app. For that you have to search for the app in App Store, Play Store, and just simply make sure that you're using latest version of the app. Okay guys, just simply have to update the app. By updating the app, maybe your friends limit will increase. If it's still not working, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to open the Snapchat. Now after that guys, you have to tap on your profile. Now from here you have to tap on my friends option. If you have a lot of friends guys, that's why maybe you won't be able to add more friends. Okay guys, so you have to delete some friends which are unnecessary for you, so you have to delete some friends. Okay guys, if you want to add 10 friends, then you have to delete 10 friends from here guys. Okay guys, if you don't want to delete any of the friends and want to add more friends, then what you need to do guys, just simply contact with Snapchat team. Okay guys, you can also increase your friends limit by increasing your snap score. Okay guys, so you have to send snaps regularly to your friends, and after that maybe your friends limit will be increased. Okay guys, and you can also contact with them. Tap on settings. Now from here guys, just simply you have to tap on I put it up bug. Now after that you have to tap on friends option. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on choose topic. Now from here guys, you can easily see here adding or removing friends option. Okay guys, just simply you have to tap on that, and after that you have to tap on add attachment. Okay guys, let me tell you that you have to take screenshot of the error, and when you tap on add attachment, it will redirect to your gallery. Just simply you have to select that screenshot. Once you have selected that screenshot, just simply here you have to write you want to add more friend on Snapchat and you are facing the error on the screenshot. Okay guys, and tell them that you want to add more and more friends and don't want to delete any of the present friends. Okay guys, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today. If there is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.